Mary are breathing a sigh of relief following the arrest of a man they believe is responsible for poisoning their water sources. It's understood that yesterday about 6 o'clock in the morning, a resident went to get water from the tank and realized it was discolored and had a stench.
Well, everybody upset, nobody in the heat yesterday. It kill everybody. Everybody dead. Me, my grandpeople, my mother, father, everybody dead yesterday. Everybody dead.
Yo, me nah lie, them always say Jamaica is not a real place. And me nah lie, disprove it for true. Jamaica is not a real place. Then uno come closer. Make a reason it out. Now, if the man say everybody dead, including himself, then who I do the interview? That means say a dopey I do the interview. So tell me now. If me had that the interviewer there and me stand up and interview dopey, me not go take for myself. Me not bother want hear nothing more. No. Can you imagine though the man say everybody dead including himself? Yo, but now like no, when them say Jamaican people extra, we extra for true. Me not think no other country, no other place can beat Caribbean people. Caribbean people, them, we always have some things out of our mouth for say. Sometimes we have to stand up and laugh. No, man. Caribbean people, we make different, man. We make different. Me know say a whole heap of Trinidad people, you understand what I try to say? Guyanese, all of them, when them open their mouth and say something, Barbados, when them open their mouth and say some things, you have to just stand up and look and say, wait, then this real? This real? No, Caribbean people, we're large, yeah? And we are the carbon copy for the world. Right, true? Well, you don't know. Let me know how you feel about this one in the comment section. Because Jamaica is a place where ever keep. Right, true. No matter what hardship we are go through down there, no matter how we hungry, no matter how we thirsty, no matter what, no matter how the government rob we, no matter what, we always find a way to make sure so we're happy. We always find a way to laugh. You know, as what them say, dancehall can't stall because all when time we not enough food in our belly, we still a go out there go, you know, bust a little one wine. Not true. Talk truth. Not talk truth. Yeah, right true. I want to big up all of the people them who there with me at daytime. Right true. I want to big up all of the people them who watch a video for me. If you just sit down and watch one video for me, big up yourself. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the comments. Thank you guys for the support. You don't know say I found a place. I never delete a comment yet, you know. Never delete a comment yet. And when you know I cuss me and I burn me out, me still not delete comment. Freedom of speech me promote over here. You know, free to say whatever you want to say. Right, true. And when time I wrong, tell me some wrong. Anything. Uno and me there daytime. Big up on yourself out there. Yeah. Right, true. Well, uno don't know, so this is uno girl Nadia official. I'ma always keep things real. I'ma always keep things official. Big up on yourself out there. Peace and love. Peace. I'm out. Bye.